Hurricane season is just around the corner, and weather experts are predicting another active year. The Louisiana Department of Education is working to make sure schools are prepared for the worst.
One company is putting up a lot of money to make sure that happens. Our Fox 44's Rachel Riley has the story.
We didn't have power for almost 2.5 weeks.
From flooding to hurricanes, Springfield High Principal Spencer Harris says they've dealt with it all.
I don't think there was a road that didn't have multiple trees across it.
This time around, they're working with the state to make sure they're better prepared for the next storm.
If that happens, are we prepared? What is our next step?
That's why the state's education department created a hurricane preparedness commission to put an action plan in place for disasters. Harris is a part of that group.
Use people's experiences so that they can share with other schools throughout the state and help.
Our hope is that the districts will be better prepared.
Stephanie Duarwan is the state director for AT&T Louisiana. The company is investing $50,000 into the hurricane preparedness team just ahead of the big season.
Their schools need to be equipped with the best practices and information that they can possibly have to continue teaching our students.
Harris says the commission is very diverse, with a group of members from all across the state of Louisiana to help put together a plan or a checklist for schools during a disaster.
The more prepared we are to deal with circumstances, the faster we can get our kids back in school.
Harris says they need more investments like AT&T to extend beyond the walls of the classroom.
As a school, we're the center of a lot of these communities, and we have to work to help and make sure our community's okay.
Rachel Riley, Fox 44 News.